Just been out for another 20 minutes. Now got all the tongue and groove straight away from the back to the front, and now it's decided to bloody rain, so everything's coming to a halt once again. Waiting for a new deeper surround to arrive for the fan, as the one I've got is quite shallow and you can see the wood and the silver foil exposed on the sides once the framework is up. And then I'm also waiting on some decorative rope to run around the tops of the wooden beams once the carpeting is been put up, which has arrived, and then that will hide all the joints and give it a bit of a feature with some rope. Any likes or dislikes, please drop them in the comments, and also please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for looking.